Once upon a time, in a galaxy far away, there lived an alien named Zara. Zara's home was the moon, where she had a cozy little crater as her dwelling. She had sparkling silver skin, 3 eyes that shimmered like stars, and long, delicate antennae that helped her communicate. Zara had always been curious about the blue planet Earth. She had observed it from her lunar abode and was enchanted by its beauty. She dreamed of visiting Earth to see its oceans, forests, and the bustling cities filled with humans. One day, Zara decided to turn her dream into reality. She had been working on an advanced spacecraft which would take her on a journey to Earth. With her 3 nimble fingers, Zara finalized the last adjustments and preparations. The spacecraft shimmered with a mix of lunar and alien technology. As the sun dipped below the moon's horizon, Zara bid farewell to her crater home and hopped into spacecraft. With a gentle push of buttons and a whooshing sound, the spacecraft lifted off from the moon's surface, leaving a trail of stardust behind. The journey was long and full of wonders. Zara marveled at the sights as she glided through the vastness of space. Planets of all colors and sizes passed by her windows, and distant stars twinkled like guiding lights. After what felt like ages, Earth came into view. Zara's heart raced with excitement as she saw the planet's vibrant blue and green hues. She steered spacecraft through Earth's atmosphere, feeling a rush of heat and energy around her. Landing gently in a lush forest, Zara stepped out of her spacecraft and took her first breath of Earth's air. It felt different from the moon's thin atmosphere, but refreshing in its own way. Zara explored the forest, her eyes wide with wonder as she encountered Earth's creatures, chirping birds, scurrying squirrels, and colorful flowers. Zara's journeyed deeper into the land. She stumbled upon a small village. She watched from behind the trees as humans went about their daily lives, laughing, talking, and working together. Their camaraderie fascinated her. A girl Zara's appearance caught the eye of a young girl named Mia. Mia approached Zara cautiously, curiosity overcoming her initial surprise. Zara's 3 eyes blinked gently, and she used her antennae to communicate with Mia. Through gestures and simple expressions, they understood each other. Zara and Mia became fast friends. Zara learned about Earth's cultures, traditions, and even got to taste some delicious human food. Mia, in turn, heard tales of Zara's lunar adventures and the beauty of her moonlit home. But as much as Zara cherished her time on Earth, she knew she had to return to the moon eventually. With a heavy heart, she bid farewell to Mia and her newfound human friends. Back in spacecraft, Zara soared into the skies, leaving Earth's atmosphere behind. She glanced back at the planet that had captured her heart, promising to visit again someday. And so, Zara's unique tale spread across the cosmos, the story of an alien who dared to dream and embarked on a journey that bridged the gap between 2 worlds. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel if you think the videos are informative. Thank you.